Okay, problem number 1. K squared minus 5k minus 24 equals 0. For these problems, you don't have to solve by factoring. If you wanted to solve by quadratic formula or completing the square, that will work also. Completing the square won't work so well on this one because half of 5 will be a fraction and you don't want to deal with that. So I would recommend factoring. First, multiply k squared times negative 24. The bottom term will be the middle term, negative 5k. And you need to find two terms that add to negative 5 but multiply to negative 24. So for this, you're going to need to have a negative times a positive in order to get a negative product. And the bigger number should be negative in order to have a negative sum. So negative 8k and positive 3k works because negative 8 times positive 3 is negative 24, and negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5. So we're going to rewrite the problem, but instead of negative 5k, use negative 8k and positive 3k. And now we're going to separate this into two different factors. We have k squared minus 8k and 3k minus 24. Take out what is common in both of these. So k squared and negative 8k both have a k in common. And what's left over is k minus 8. 3k and negative 24 both have a 3 in common. And what's left over is k minus 8. Both now have a k minus 8 in common, so we factor out k minus 8. And what's left over is k plus 3. The zero product property says that if two things are being multiplied together to equal 0, then either one or both could be equal to 0. So k minus 8 could equal 0, and k plus 3 could equal 0. Solve for k, add 8 to both sides, and you get k equals 8. Subtract 3 from both sides, and you get k equals negative 3. So your answers for this problem are 8 and negative 3.